Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to talk about the another card of Major Arcana, that is the High Priestess. Okay, so this is the second card of Major Arcana. This card actually indicates the higher power, the spirituality, the inner self, the gut feeling. So these are the keywords that we can use to define this card. This card majorly talks about your instincts, your gut feeling, your trust in God, in higher self. Okay, so we are now going to discuss the uh, elements of this card. In this picture, you can see a female figure sitting in front of a beautifully decorated wall. All right, and she is also holding a scroll in her hand. She is wearing blue robe with a cross on her chest and wearing a horn crown. Okay, she also has a moon on her feet, symbolizing her connection with her intuition and her subconscious mind. Okay, so whatever the elements that you are seeing in the image, moon. Okay, if we talk about moon, it indicates your emotion, your inner self, your intuition, your gut feeling, your instinct, and your connection with divine energies or divine power, you can say. She is also having these when you see this image, it's look like as she's sitting in front of a in front of a door. Okay, it's like there is an entrance in which she is sitting. So this entrance actually indicates the entrance of entrance of a sacred place, a very divine place, a very pure and pious place, a place where you can you feel very, you get a clarity, a purity. Okay, it's in a layman you can say it's like a temple. Okay, you can also see there are two pillars, these two black and white. So these pillar symbolizes duality. One is a masculine and another is a feminine. One is a dark side, one is a light side. Sorry. So, saying that in order to enter a divine place, a pious place, you need a knowledge as well as a balance and clarity in between both the white and black, the acceptance of both the white and black. Accepting both black and white, it doesn't mean just you accept the colors. It means like you understand both the side of your life. That means a positive side or a negative side. Okay, so whenever this card turns in your tarot reading or comes in your tarot reading, generally it indicates that now it is the time to trust your intuition and go with your gut feeling in any situation. If you're seeking advice and this card appears, that means it is saying that for this particular situation you are asking help for, you have to trust your gut feeling. Okay, whatever you are feeling inside from you, you have to pay attention. Okay, this card also say that you should pay attention to your dreams and the signs and the symbols that universe is trying to tell you or trying to communicate with you through it. Okay, this card also tells you that if you are in a situation you're not finding anything and you want an answer for that, you can pray, you can pray to the universe and just give a close thought, close observation on the signs that the universe is telling you. So whenever this card appears in your reading and the reading is about money or maybe a career. So this card indicates that you may uh, soon become aware in terms of you're finding something through your wisdom, any kind of information or opportunity that will definitely going to benefit you in terms of career. For example, if you are uh, giving interview and you have two opportunities or three opportunities with you, uh, then you just wanted to know which one is to go, then if this card comes in the reading, that means you have to sit and just in order to just go within and think among all these three opportunities, career opportunities that you are getting, which opportunity with which opportunity you are just connecting from inside. Sometimes it's our gut feeling that tells us that no, this opportunity is better than among these two. Sometimes we overcome those intuition, these inner feelings, that instinct that we are getting. So if you are juggling with two or three offers, and you're not able to find out which in career option or maybe a investment option or business option, a money related option is good for you, and this card appears and it is telling you to just sit and connect with your inner self, and you will figure it out which opportunity is good. Follow your gut feeling, your instinct, with the option you have. Also, if you are a student and this card appears in your reading, you are asking for something and this card appears, that it says that ki you soon you will be finding a good teacher. Maybe that a good teacher is a female one who will come into your life and help you. Or maybe sometimes it is saying that you have to take a help of a teacher, specifically a female teacher that can help you. So sometimes this card can also appear, reversal in your reading. So whenever this card appears reversed while you are doing a reading, so this reverse card indicates that the person you are doing reading for, they have a block intuitive abilities. Their intuitive abilities is not working. Undesired attention, they have lack of self confidence or control, you can say. Also they have like they are not listening to their gut feeling, their instinct. They lack wisdom, so they have to work on all these things if this card appears in a reverse form. So in short, if I have to summarize this card, the advice that this card gives us is to go with your gut feeling, your instinct, trust your intuition, pay attention to the sign and symbols that universe is trying to tell you. So that's it from this card. And if you want to book your reading, then you can just check the description box or contact me. So we will meet in the another video with another card. Till then, thank you. Take care.